Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint in Cybercrime Cell Online. First, visit the official Cybercrime Reporting Portal, which is a government initiative. Understand that filing a complaint online is a crucial first step for many types of digital offenses, from financial fraud to identity theft. Take a moment to confirm the incident details, including the exact date and time it occurred. This initial preparation ensures a smoother reporting process. Gathering comprehensive evidence is paramount for a successful cybercrime complaint. Always preserve all digital proof, such as screenshots of fraudulent emails, messages, or websites. If financial transactions are involved, ensure you have transaction ID, bank statements, and the exact amounts transferred. Note down any suspicious phone numbers or email addresses used by the perpetrator. This robust collection of details significantly strengthens your case and aids the authorities in their investigation. To begin, open your web browser and accurately type the official cybercrime reporting portal address, which is cybercrime.gov.in. Once on the home page, locate the prominent File a Complaint button, usually found at the top or center of the page. Before proceeding, it is essential to thoroughly read and understand the terms and conditions presented. Click Agree only after you are clear on the guidelines, initiating the formal complaint process. Accurately completing the complaint form is critical for effective action. Start by filling in your personal details, including your name, contact number, and email address. Next, describe the incident in precise, chronological order, explaining exactly what happened and how you were affected. Upload all your collected evidence, such as screenshots and transaction details, ensuring each file is clearly labeled. Provide as much detail as possible to help the cybercrime cell understand your situation fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.